Betty, what are you doing? They do love it.
Watch this.
Look at that black one on this one. Good.
Nice.
The white ones love it. Oh, the black one.
There, the black one got some.
Let's feed the animals with all the popcorn. The wolves love it.
Do they?
See? They keep jumping. So neat.
Good job.
Hey, Benny,
Oh.
what day is it today?
Those are wolves.
Those are the wolves. What day is it today, honey? April.
It's his birthday.
Yep. April what?
Oh, April
3rd. And who turned? What's
Mom,
today?
the black wolf got my popcorn.
Good. Whose special day is it
Now
today?
the white one got it.
Whose special day is it today, Betty?
Mom?
What is it? Your birthday? How old are you?
No.
Hey,
Eat it up. You eat it.
how old are you, Betty?
No.
He's not paying attention to me, so. Hey, Ben.
You're gonna need it now.
Me and you.
What?
Benny, how old are you?
Me too.
Ben, Mommy wants to know how old you are. Can you just tell her?
Yeah, tell me how old you are. Don't pick it up off the ground. He's
don't touch.
gonna throw it to the wolves.
There's
Yeah.
The wolves like it.
Hey, Benny.
Okay, that's enough.
Benny,
Two more.
how old are you?
One more.
How old are you?
3.